I managed to revive a dead KDP book that was ranking well over 1.3 million in all books and making literally zero sales. I did this in 3 steps and made this book generate well over 68 sales during the last 30 days. Out of those 68 sales, 43 sales are all organic. That is really awesome in my opinion. In this video, I will show you my results and the strategies that you can follow to revive your books too. So stick around and watch this video till the very end. This is a math workbook and you can see it was ranking at 1.33 million. See, continuously it was ranking well over 1.4 million. At one time it was ranking at 1.36 million. Then I applied my strategies and it started to generate sales. That is here on 249,000 BSR here, from 1.36 million to 249,000. Then at one time it was ranking at just over 70,000. Let me show you the lowest one. It was ranking at 71 again, 58, then 166,000, 77,000, 109, and then 56,000. And at this point, this is I think the lowest BSR I managed to obtain with this book, 46,242 in all books. Now it has declined a bit and the reason is I have changed the pricing. It might be a cause of that. So currently it is ranking at 232 BSR in all books. This is the data from last 6 months. I will hide my cover and title because I don't want anyone to copy the exact title and cover. So let me show you my results in terms of sales. I am here in the KDP reports dashboard and you can see I have selected last 90 days. As you can see, one book only, 68 units ordered during that period. That was actually last 30 days. And here you can see all started at July 26. This book started to make sales. So as you can see, at one time it generated 5 units per day as well. As of August 25, it has generated 0 sales. I am very happy with the results because out of these 68 units, 43 units are through organic sales. So let me show you the 3-step process. What I changed with this book was I first changed the backend keywords. Yes, I removed the unrelated keywords that was not very relevant to the book. Then the second thing I did was I changed the categories. I changed the KDP categories. I removed the categories that was not very relevant. So I did these 2 things in terms of book metadata. Actually, the second thing was I created A+ content for this book. That was the second step. And the third step was I ran ads for this math workbook. So here are some numbers from KDP ads, or you can say Amazon ads. $78.09 spent during the last 30 days or so, because I started here at July 23rd, and here you can see the sales are $173.77. A cost is approximately 45 and the impressions were just below 15,000. Here you can see I selected keywords that were very related to the title of the book. I added variations of the title. These are 10 keywords, all exact match, and the ad spent, you can see orders are 26, so maybe I generated 26 sales out of 68 and 42 as organic. There might be a very slight difference in numbers that I mentioned before. So you need to change the backend keywords if the book is not making any sales. Remove the irrelevant ones and add the very relevant keywords. This is the first step. This also includes the change in categories. You need to update the categories as well. The second thing is you need to add the A+ content for your book. And thirdly, you need to run ads for your book to give it a boost. You can run auto ads, but running exact match ads helped me a lot in ranking back this book for relevant keyword terms, and that led to generating organic sales. So this is all from me today. I will make another video as well where I will showcase another book that I applied this same strategies and it is also making good sales. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.